Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss how we arrange the rational number. That's why I give the heading arrangement of rational numbers. In case of arrangement of rational numbers, if two or more, basically more than two numbers are rational numbers are given to you, and question asked to you that you have to arrange them either in ascending order or descending order. So how you arrange them? It's very easiest one. I am choosing one question. It's all are in positive. 3 upon 4, 6 upon 7, 9 upon 14, 6 upon 7, 9 upon 14, then 7 upon 8. What is your first work? First work, you have to find out the LCM of denominators. So you can write down LCM of 4, 7, 14, 8 is, you have to find out in rough this side, 4, 7, 14 and 8. Divide it. Clear? See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Now, convert all the numbers so that denominator must be equal to 56. 6, like last video we have discussed. 3 convert, find out equivalent fraction of each fraction rational number. I am using fraction sometime in place of rational number because both are same. So in 3 upon 4 we have to convert into equivalent rational number with denominator 56. How we convert? 3 into 4 into, it's a 4 into 14. So it's a 42 upon 56. Similarly, 6 upon 7, it's a 6 into 7 into, to 7 8 ja, 6 8 ja, 48 upon 56. Similarly, 9 upon 14, 4, 9 into 4, 56. Then come to this part. Let me rub this rough work. Remaining one is your 7 upon 8. So 7 upon 8, 8, 7 upon 8, it's a 8 7 ja, 7 7 ja, it's a 49 upon 56. This one. So you can easily say that greater the numerator, greater is the rational number. So we can easily understand. Suppose we are going to arrange in ascending order. Clear? So write down. Hope you can easily see the numbers, nothing is cut out. Oh, enough space we have. Ascending order. So which one is a smaller one? 42, 48, 36. I think 36 is smaller one. So this rational number we must write down is smaller than which number? This one, 42. Then 48. Then 49. Clear? Now See, in this case 36 upon 56 represents this 9 upon 14. You have to tally. Likewise, you have to tally. So that is 9 upon 14 is smaller. 42. Where is 42? This one. 3 upon 4. Then 48 upon 56. This one. 6 upon 7. Then this one. 49. 49 means 7 upon 8. Now, this is your complete solution of arrangement of given rational number in ascending order. Remember, if you are unable to write any step, your marks will be deducted from your solution. So remember, if you are unable to write down this one, your half to 1 marks will be reduced. If you are unable to write this part, your 2 marks easily reduced, 2 or more than 2 marks easily reduced. Clear? So you have to follow the pattern, follow the steps, and each steps carry some marks. Similarly, this is for ascending order. Now, if question says about descending order, we have to continue this step up to this one, and in this case, you simply write down the greatest one. Means you write down the order greatest to smallest, and similarly this one. So hope this one is clear to you. People will try to solve one more question and complete today's video. In this question, we are going to arrange these rational number into descending order. Remember, we are going to arrange them in descending order. In descending order. So first, what is our first work? First work, we have to convert all the denominators into positive form. So we can write down, that is, it's a minus 3 upon 5, minus 7 upon 10, minus 8 upon 10, minus 17 upon 15. So try to find out the LCM of these four. LCM of 5, 10, 10 and 15 is how we find out? We must find out in rough. See here, we have two same numbers, so need not to skip any number. You have to continue. So 5 1 ja 2, 2, 3. Clear? 3 2 ja 5, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So LCM is 60. Clear? Now, in this case, we have to convert these fractions into equivalent fraction with denominator 60. So write down minus 3 upon 5 equals to minus 3 into 12 into 12. Why? It's a minus 36 upon 50. First one. Then next one is minus 7 upon 10. It's a minus 7, 10. It's a 6, 6. It's a 10, 6 is 60. Then we convert to this part. Let me rub this side. No? Hope this one is clear to you. Now, two more left. It's a minus 8 upon 10 and minus 17 upon 15. Sorry. See this side. 5 12 ja 10 10 6 ja again 8 upon 10. So we can easily write down minus 8 into 6, 10 into 6. Fifteen fours are 60, so 17 fours are. We are going to arrange them in the descending order. So give the order name descending order. As we know, in descending order we write largest number first and smallest number at last. So see which one is largest one. Always remember that all are with negative sign. So smallest the negative value, greatest is the number. Minus 36, minus 48, minus 68, minus 42. So this one is the greatest one. So we must write down minus 36 upon 50. This one is greater than, with whom? See, after 36, the next number is minus 42. Sorry, it's a 60. It's also 60. Clear? Then minus 42 upon 60 is greater than minus 48 upon 60, greater than minus 68 upon 60. That one is very smallest number. So that is last line. That is, you must write down minus 3 upon 5 is greater than minus 7 upon 10 is greater than minus 8 upon 10 is greater than minus 17 upon 15. Hope you can easily understand. And if you see this video carefully, then under the comment section write down, is there any mistake in this video, in this solution? Number one, and number two, all of you must subscribe this channel so that you can get the notification earliest one, so that you can easily understand all those solutions. That's all for today. Thank you.